To all my amazing viewers out there, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the newest content that I upload. Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be talking about when is the best time to change out your cabin air filter in your car. This right here is a really good example of one that really needs to be changed out really bad. It's really dirty, it's got a lot of leaves and dirt and everything, and obviously it needs to be changed out. But basically, the best time to change it out is every 12 months or every 12,000 miles. And obviously if you smell any kind of musty smell coming through your vent, then it might mean that it's dirty, or if you put your AC on full blast and not a whole lot of air is coming out, then it means it's probably clogged up, so that you have an efficiency problem, so that most likely means you need to change out your air filter. The second thing I want to talk about is where I buy my cabin air filters from, and I usually buy it on Amazon, eBay, or rockauto.com. I'll leave the links in the description below so you can get the best price. Most dealerships will charge anywhere from $20 to $40 for a cabin air filter and charge for labor as well. But if you buy it online, like I bought this air filter here for under $10, you can install it yourself. Most times you can go online and look up on forums on your specific vehicle, and you can find do-it-yourself tutorials that people provide pictures and explanations on how to get access to your cabin air filter, and you can save on labor and just pay for the part. This is going to be a quick example of how to install a cabin air filter on your vehicle. Most of the vehicles are pretty much the same, but this is going to be a demonstration on a 2015 Lexus RCF coupe. Usually changing out the cabin air filter doesn't take no more than about 5 minutes, but since I was shooting this YouTube video, it took me about 10 to 15 minutes. But basically I just had to take off this little plastic shelf, and then there is a little plastic cover that I just had to pop off, and then all you have to do is push on the clips on the left and right hand side and slide out that little holder, and the cabin air filter is actually sitting right inside there. So check this out. This is a really good example of a very filthy cabin air filter. It has a lot of leaves, dirt, and everything going on. I actually had a weird smell coming in from my AC, so this probably had something to do with it. When installing your new cabin air filter, just make sure you pay attention to the old one where it says like the up direction, so you know that you're putting in there properly in the right direction. Here's what it looks like with the new air filter and the old one side by side, and this is what it looks like on the bottom portion of the housing that holds the cabin air filter. Hope you all enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Definitely this is a very cheap, easy replacement part that can really increase the efficiency to your air quality in your car or truck or van or what have you. If you want to check out these awesome air filters, again, I have the link in the description below. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.